Guys, nag-fry ako ng pork ribs ito. Hindi ko nakuhanan kaninang. Ayan guys. Bali, minarinated ko muna yan guys, yung pork ribs bago ko nilagay bago ko fry siya. Deep fry siya guys. Ayan yung ginamit kong oil. Ayan. Deep fry. So, ito na guys yung iba. And then, ito na yung isa-serve ko ngayon. So, masarap yan guys. Ang nilagay dyan ay soy sauce, rice wine, sugar, white pepper, and sesame oil. So, yan guys. Ganyan lang. At saka kaunting flour lang. Para pure. So, yan guys. It's yummy yummy. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. God bless. Please follow my page.